Okay guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download MS Teams on MacBook Pro. So as initial step, you need to open your browser. You can use any browser for this. Then after, you need to go to address bar and type Microsoft Teams download and hit enter. Just tap on the first option, download Microsoft Teams desktop and mobile apps. That is official Microsoft website. Okay, once you there, if you are using Mac, I guess, so you can see download Microsoft Teams for Mac like this. Because I am using Windows, that is why it shows as Windows. You need to download that one. The installer will download as a .pkg file. Alternatively, you can download it using Mac App Store also. So you need to open the App Store on your MacBook Pro. Then after, search for Microsoft Teams and click get to download and install it directly. Once you download that, if you are not using App Store method, you are using browser method, you have to install that one manually. To do that, you have to locate the downloaded pkg file. Usually it is on your download folder. Double click on that file to launch the installer. Click continue and follow the on-screen instruction. Enter your Mac's administrator password if prompt, then click install software. Once installation is complete, click close to exit the installer. So now you need to launch and sign in. First you need to open Finder on your MacBook. Then after, go to applications and double click Microsoft Teams. On the welcome screen, click get started option. Then after, you have to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have Microsoft account, you can create that from there also, or you can use your organization credentials to log in your Microsoft Teams. So this is how you can download MS Teams on your MacBook Pro. If you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.